What's up to the DDL Nation? It's your girl Dina, and now I'm back with another video. Yes, I am back with another video.
DDL Nation.
In today's video, you guys, it's going to be a little vlog. So I just got home from the dentist. I went to change the color and they was tightening some stuff on my teeth. So now I just got home. I'm about to go make me some breakfast. Hopefully I can eat. Yeah, I'm about to go make me some breakfast and then I'm going to go to work. So yeah, my teeth is coming along real nice. So I would like to take this time to thank each and every one of you guys, especially my OG subscribers who are always here, and my new subscribers. Thank you very much for joining the family. So from the bottom of my heart, I wanted to thank you guys. I wanted to show my appreciation. All right, so we have some good things cooking up, you guys. So yeah, thank you for joining. Thank you for watching. Thank you for sharing, liking, commenting and stuff, and I really appreciate you guys. Yeah, so I'm gonna see you guys inside while I'm making me some breakfast. Okay.
The next day.
Hi guys, yesterday after I finished eating my breakfast, I went to lay down for a few minutes before I go to work, and I ended up sleeping too much, so I ended up just getting up, putting clothes on, go to work. So I didn't get to record anything. So today I'm going to a baby shower, so I was like, let me just, take you guys with me. Right now I'm about to go to the store, to Walmart or somewhere, to buy a gift for the baby. And I forgot to put it in charge last night, so it is 1:17, and I think the baby shower is like 7, 8, and it's not far from the house, so that's what I'm gonna do. All right, let's go. What the hell? Only in Florida. You see how the guy was just coming directly at me? Like, dude, stay on your lane. Let me hurry up, get off this road because I'm not understanding what is going on. Just people don't know how to drive. It's crazy out here. Crazy out here. Sheesh. Why Walmart is... No parking at Walmart. Oh my gosh, I'm parking so far. Okay, so let's go inside Walmart. Walmart is so packed, you guys. Oh my god, I spent a whole hour and change in Walmart. I couldn't find no trolley, you guys. I had to, when I get inside, I find one that had stuff on it, so I just take off the stuff and use it. Like, dang. So, well, I get the goods, I get the stuff, and now I'm about to go home. I am hungry, like hungry. So I'm about to go home and make me something to eat, then get ready for the baby shower. Oh my gosh, I can't believe it. It was so packed in there. It's crazy. It is crazy. That's a lesson, not to shop at Walmart on the weekends. Crazy, crazy, crazy. All right, so I'm about to go home. Ooh. I'll see you guys later.
Nothing like your smile in the morning, following the linings on your cheeks. 'Cause baby, in your absence life is boring, so I'll never leave. It's easier to love when it's you by my side, shining through the cracks like the first morning light.
All right, baby shower ready.
Days and the nights, living in your arms as years go by. It's
The next day.
easier to love. There's nothing like the way that you adore me. I can feel love from miles away. And the light in your eyes tells me stories of life in a more perfect place where I wanna stay. It's easier to love when it's you by my side, shining through the cracks like the first morning light, feeling like a child through the days and the nights, living in your arms as years go by. It's easier to love. Easier to love. If the sky is falling down on me, you'll be the one that's
Good morning, guys. So I'm ready for church now with my big bushy eyebrows. So I'm late, you guys. It is 10:33. I'm supposed to be left. So I'll see you guys at church.
lines on your cheeks. 'Cause baby, in your absence life is boring, so I'll never